In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove myshopify.com from your Shopify store's URL. This is an essential step to make your store look more professional to your customers. Having your own domain can also help build trust and brand recognition. The process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you have a seamless transition to your custom domain. First, we will address purchasing a custom domain directly through Shopify. To get started, you'll need to access your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, navigate to the Settings option and then select the Domain section. This is your hub for all things domain related. Once you're in the Domains area, you'll see the option to buy a new domain. Click on it and you'll be prompted to search for your desired domain name. Shopify will then present you with available options based on your search. Select the one that best suits your brand and follow the straightforward prompts to complete the purchase. It's a quick and easy process that's integrated right into Shopify, streamlining your tasks significantly. If you already have a domain from another provider like Namecheap, GoDaddy, or Google Domains, don't worry, you can easily connect it to your Shopify store. Start by clicking on the option to connect an existing domain in the Domains section of your Shopify admin. Shopify will guide you through the process, which usually involves updating your domain's DNS records with your registrar. This is a crucial step as it redirects your custom domain to your Shopify store, allowing visitors to access your site using your personalized URL. Make sure to follow the detailed instructions from your domain registrar to ensure a smooth setup. After you've either purchased a new domain or connected an existing one, the final step is to set this new custom domain as your primary domain. Head back to the settings and then into domains within your Shopify admin. Here, you'll find a list of domains associated with your store. Select your new domain and then look for the option to make it your primary domain. Setting it as the primary domain ensures that all traffic to your site is directed primarily through this new URL. Once this change is complete, your Shopify store will be associated with your custom domain, and the myshopify.com URL will no longer be the primary address that visitors see. So, by following these steps, your Shopify store will have a personalized touch that's cohesive with your brand. Remember, while these steps cover the basic setup, occasionally domain propagation might take some time, usually up to 48 hours. So don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. If you encounter any issues, most domain registrars have support to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope your store gains even more professional credibility with its new custom domain.